While you may be able to change this out without safely raising and supporting the vehicle, I recommend you take extra time and first lift and support the car. Then begin by draining the oil, blue arrow, before you attempt to remove the sender, red arrow. Now is also a really good time to change your oil, filter, and plug. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with those tasks. Use a flathead screwdriver or your hands and separate the wiring connection from the sender, red arrow. Next, use a T30 torque and remove the 3 screws holding the sender in place indicated by red arrows. Lower the sender out from the oil pan. Use care, as even though you have drained the oil, some additional oil will escape. Pelican highly recommends using Porsche synthetic gasket lubricant or equivalent on the O-ring. If you are reinstalling the old sender, you must replace the O-ring. The new sender will come with a new O-ring installed. Lightly lubricate this O-ring, red arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Torque the bolts to 10 Newton meters or 7.5 foot-pounds, and do not forget to fill the motor with oil and check the level. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.